Today we're going to open the skimmers, but you see I can't do that kind because the water isn't there yet. So that's going to have to wait. This is the day after the pool opening, and here's what we got. It's green, but you can indeed see the bottom. I can't quite see the main drain, but I know it's over there. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but you can see all of the tree shit and whatever that fell at this end when the cover was taken off. Been filled yesterday till 8 p.m. The pool turned on 7:59 a.m. and caught prime, so I have the timer dialed in just right. You can see that the hose is on. We're filling again. I turned that on when I came out here as soon as I heard the pump go on. So that has to fill, but before we're going to open the skimmers, I want to do something to kind of increase my chances of getting everything done right. So here's the west skimmer. This is where I normally hook the vacuum up to. And I figure what we'll do, because it's all green it and there's some water in there and that, is we'll use the old Ferrex wet vac, 6-gallon. I had a video of that last summer, and we're going to go ahead and just suck out what's in there, and then maybe should I get the hose and kind of spray it out a bit maybe? I don't know, we'll see. Maybe we'll get the hose first. This way I can get that in the water, kind of moving. I guess it won't really do much. Needs the chlorination, but all I have right now are the chlorine caps in. Now, let's suck that out. Alright, I think that's a little better. Let's do the other one. This one is a lot worse. Oh yeah, see, I can suck all that crap up so it doesn't have to go through any of the pool plumbing, all that great stuff. That ought to do. Now hopefully there's enough chooch left in the vacuum to suck this up. I doubt it. Oh, it just got it. Nope, now it's filmed. Now I can get the rest. Get the hose one more time. Probably not enough room in the vacuum. I didn't empty it all the way. Good, that's fine. That's a lot better than it was. You have to agree there. So I'll come back when we have enough water to open the skimmers up. It's a couple of days later now. I left the chlorine tabs to do their thing. The next day it rained like hell, so we got quite a bit of water in here, but there's all this floaty stuff that we got to get off the surface. We're going to do that right now when we open the skimmers up. Maybe you can see the water clarity. I don't know if the camera is pointing at it. It looks like it's dead on. I can see the main drain. I can see the floor of the pool. And over here, as usual, it's really all not that bad. And it's going to get even better as this goes on and we put shock in the pool to really chlorinate it. So that's going to be nice. But we are now ready, because we have enough water, to open the skimmers. As you can see back over here, take a look at that water level. It's almost up to the top of the skimmer. So let's get started. Finally get to take these out. They unscrew. It might bubble when it comes out. If they were screwed in straight, then there wouldn't be a problem. But I think it was cross-threaded because it's not wanting to come out. Come on. Not today. Tomorrow. Alright, that was more difficult than it needed to be. And same here. I guess that was threaded in, right? I guess we could use that water, right? So that's good. Alright, we're all set. There are some bubbles in the basket of the pump because we don't have adequate flow because the main drain is on. And now that we have enough water in the pool that's in the skimmers and all that, the only problem is there's air in the lines, and a lot of it. If you go and open these valves up right away, all the way, you're going to lose prime on the pump and not going to be a good time. So we'll crack it open a little bit. We'll do the E-skimmer because it's here. That's it, just a little. Pump's getting air in it. Seems to have settled a little. We'll go just a little more. A lot more air. The pump is cavitating. Looks like it lost prime. We'll give it a few seconds here. On this pump I can hear the sound, which basically means that stuff is happening, just very slowly. There's water going in there. Just slow. There he goes, picking up now. We're probably going to get another pocket of air and it's probably going to bomb out again. No, actually not too bad. Let's give her a little more. So of course, no, you got more. Yeah, it's going to be playing that game, huh? But not as bad this time. Purging the air, there we go. Give that a couple more seconds there. Give her some more. I think we're good now. That's full open. That looks good. That wasn't too bad. Same story with the other skimmer. Just a crack. That's too much already. But we're better off because we have the main drain and the e-skimmer chooching right now. So that should help it. See, already it cleared. A little more. There he goes. Heavy, heavy air. But it looks like it'll catch. Yes, indeed. Sometime. That might have cleared. I'm going to go all the way now. There we go. No bubbles in the pump basket. Everything's looking good. Let's take a look at the skimmers. You could have warned me and said put the baskets in before you open it up. But that's all right. I mean, anything that went in there is just minor because we got stuff. And it slowly makes its way into the skimmer. Those leaves there, maybe you can see the other stuff starting to make its way. There's that big clump of leaves. And if it doesn't get stuck inside, it should make its way into there. There they are. So we got some flotsam and jetsam and other great stuff in there. That's wonderful. Let's see the other one. Yep, same story here. These baskets have little weights in the center to bring them right down. And that's it. Skimmers are now open. And that opens up an entire new avenue because now we can add shock and get the filter up and running and start cleaning this mess up. It's not as bad as I've ever seen. It's not as good as I've ever seen. Gonna take some work. Manual vacuuming is really the main key. And that's going to be a few parts down the road. That's when you really start getting out the heavy artillery and getting some work done. But we'll leave that for when it's time. With that, that's going to close this one out. So I thank you very kindly for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.